So the foundation is really geared towards honoring Ashton's legacy. Ashton had a lot of passions. One of those was to be a career professional pilot. And his dad was certainly instrumental in that. And I was proud to be on the periphery and be a mentor and help guide Ashton through that process. He had a passion for many things, dance and flying for sure. This flying piece is a great way for us to honor his legacy by being that bridge towards a potential career as a professional pilot. The GI Bill is granted to all veterans that served with honor, and it's a great way to earn your private or your commercial and your instrument pilot licenses to be on that track to being a professional pilot. Unfortunately, you must have the prerequisite of a private pilot's license to be eligible for that. So the Ashton Johnson Foundation allows us to be that bridge to provide scholarships to those that have come out of the military and don't yet have the private pilot's license, but have the dream and the passion to be a professional pilot.